I joined this workshop because I think that it is important for mindfulness for myself, especially with client setting workplace. Not only we can care for our clients, but we also very much needs to practice mindfulness lah. So it will be beneficial for our clients as well.
I think today's session tells me that actually you can actually practice mindfulness anywhere, anytime without any skill sets or anything, because you can just pause and then just be in the moment lah.
This class would actually benefit me in terms of how I can practice mindfulness in terms of like preventing burnout, self-care, at the same time building emotional resilience.
Today I'm here because I want to learn better skills how to cope with the stress and prioritize my mental health a bit more.
SSI approach is different from others is in the sense that they talk about social learning besides having the face-to-face workshop like this one or e-learning. So I think that kind of gives us that integration and different aspects of learning platform.
I think this will actually allow me to pause and then reset my intentions and really look into the things I'm doing and give more attention and focus. One message that resonated with me is actually to set intentions. So in whatever you do is to set intentions.
I think one useful perspective would be to be really mindful, like what is next, what am I actually engaging now at this moment. So it is through this regular or constant mindful reminders that I think I can practice mindfulness.
There's so many challenges facing social service professionals today, stress from all sorts of different factors. How do we resource ourselves when there's still so much to be done, to give, and finding space for that? So mindfulness is really about cultivating a combination of skills and qualities as well. The skills are about really understanding and noticing how the mind is so that we can pause when needed, connect when needed, and also give care when needed.
So personally, I'm still on a journey of mindfulness. I feel it has helped me a lot because I learned to be present. I learned to not catastrophize problems.
So I feel like SSI really equipped me with all the necessary foundational skills. It made me feel more prepared in my job. It forced me to focus on the present moment, focus on how I'm feeling right now.